Hello friends, I am Pranali with a very interesting topic of our English grammar, that is the noun. Let's see the definition of noun. Noun is the name of a person, animal, place or thing, which means any name of a person, animal, place or thing is known as noun. Let's see some examples so that you will get more clear. My name is Pranali. Here, Pranali is the noun because Pranali is the name of a person. Next example is I live in Pune. Pune is the noun in this sentence because Pune is the name of place. The pen is on the table. Here are two examples in a single sentence, that is the pen and table, because they both are the name of a thing. Last example is I have parrots and dog as a pet animals. Here parrots and dog are noun because they are the name of animals. Now I'll show you some more examples. You have to recognize them. Okay? Yes, see these examples. The first example is the car. Second example is the cat. Third one, the man. And the last one is the city. All these four are nouns. We have covered the definition in these examples. That is, name of a person, place, animal or a thing is known as noun. Now, let's see the types of noun. There are basically two types, that is common noun and proper noun. Common noun, the common noun of a person, place, animal or thing, which means any name of a person, place, animal or thing in a common or in general is known as common noun, like words, children, school, animals, birds, people. These words we use commonly or we can say generally. Therefore, these words are known as common noun. Now let's see proper noun. The particular name of a person, place, animal or thing, which means a particular name of a person, place, animal or thing is known as proper noun. Notice, proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Words like Pune, Mira, lion, December are the examples of proper noun. Like Pune. Now there are various places, but Pune is being specified. Now we have different names nowadays, right? But Mira, the name of a person, is being specified. There are various animals, but the lion, this is being specified. There are various months in a year, but yes, December is specified, which means any specification or a particular name is known as proper noun. Now, what is this collective noun? Collective noun refers to the names given to a group of people, animals or things, which basically means wherever there is a group and we call them in general is known as collective noun. For example, an army of soldiers. Like army is a group of soldiers. The second one is I have got a bunch of flowers. The bunch of flower means so many flowers. So many flowers means a collective thing, right? And the last example is the crowd was shouting. Are we saying that a boy is shouting or a girl is shouting? No, we are saying the crowd is shouting, which means a group of persons are shouting. Are you clear with the collective noun? Okay, then let's see some more types, that is countable noun and uncountable nouns. These are very easy type of nouns. Countable noun, things that can be counted. That's it. For example, Karthik has 2 bags, which means we can count that Karthik is having 2 bags. Next example, I have 5 pencils, which means I can count that I am having 5 pencils. The next example we can say is like we have 4 friends, right? So we can count how many friends we can have. Now, the next type of noun is uncountable noun. Things that cannot be counted is known as uncountable noun. Is that easy? Yes, it is very easy. They are always in a singular form. Okay, this is also a big note. Let's see examples of this. I like to eat sugar. Okay, it is clear that I like sugar. But is that clear that how much sugar I can eat? No, it is not clear. We cannot count that. Okay, let's see one more example. Shravan drinks little milk. Okay, we are clear that Shravan is drinking milk. But are we clear that how much milk is Shravan drinking? No, we are not clear. This simply means this is uncountable noun. Okay friends, are you clear with the topic noun and its types? Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe so that you will get the notification of my every videos. Thank you once again. See you soon.